In today's competitive beauty industry, increasing the average ticket per client is critical for our business growth. However, upselling can sometimes feel pushy and may turn clients away if it's not done correctly. The key to successful upselling lies in mastering the subtle techniques that align with the client's needs and desires. Here are some methods to really enhance your upselling skills without being overbearing, ensuring both client satisfaction and that increased revenue that we all want. Boosting the average ticket per client is essential for maximizing profitability. When it's done right, upselling can actually lead to higher client satisfaction and client loyalty. Yep, you heard me right. Clients appreciate personalized recommendations that enhance their experience and meet their needs. By providing a more comprehensive service to your clients, you're not only driving revenue, but increasing the average ticket. You're also giving them exactly what they're looking for when they came in for all their beauty needs. One of the most common pitfalls is becoming an order taker, simply fulfilling the client's initial request without exploring additional opportunities. To avoid this, engage in active conversations and be proactive in understanding your client's needs. Remember, your role is to be a consultant, offering tailored solutions that add value to their visit. Effective upselling starts with a powerful consultation. This initial interaction sets the tone for the entire appointment and provides an opportunity to gather valuable information. By asking specific questions, you can identify the client's needs, preferences, and upsell areas. Here are some questions to consider during that consultation. Tell me, when was the last time you loved your hair, skin, or nails? What challenges are you currently having in your routine? If you can change anything about it today, what would it be? These simple questions help both you and your client to be on the same page, creating a foundation for personalized recommendations. Next, be sure you're listening and offering those solutions. Listening actively to your clients is critical. Pay attention to their responses and look for cues that indicate areas where you can offer additional services or products. Instead of pushing sales, frame your suggestions as solutions to their problems. So here's an example. Maybe your client says their hair feels dry and lifeless. You can say, I understand how frustrating that can be. I recommend to try our deep conditioning treatment, which is specifically designed to restore moisture and vitality to your dry hair. It pairs perfectly with the shampoo and conditioner you're used already. And I'm noticing, I promise you, it will make a noticeable difference. All right, so how easy was that? This approach shows empathy, understanding, and genuine desire to help rather than just making a sale. Next, be sure you're tailoring recommendations based on your client's needs. Once you've identified the client's needs, offer solutions that are specific to those needs. This is where you get the knowledge about your products and services is so critical. Not only you need to know everything that your salon and spa offers, but also how to explain it and the benefits to the client. For example, your clients might say, I'm looking for a way to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. You could say, in addition to your regular facial, we have some fantastic anti-aging treatments that target fine lines and wrinkles. It includes a special serum that boosts collagen production. Would you like to add on today? By presenting this upsell as an enhancement to their existing service, you're adding value and addressing specific concerns. Finally, be sure you follow up and provide that feedback. After the service, check in with your client to see how they're feeling about the recommendations and results. This shows that you care about their satisfaction and commitment to their well-being. It also opens a door for future upselling opportunities as you continue to build trust and rapport with your guest. Here's an example of what you can say. How did you find the deep conditioning treatment? How did you like it? How was it with the dryness? If you can have a scheduled appointment regularly, I really recommend that to maintain these results. It might feel unnatural when you first start, but I promise you, the more you practice upselling and more of your service, it becomes second nature. Remember, this combination of asking key questions during your consultation process, active listening, tailored recommendations, and follow-up. By focusing on clients' needs and offering solutions that generally enhance their experience, you can increase your average ticket client and build lasting loyalty. Remember, the goal is to provide value and improve the client's experience, turning every guest visit into a win-win situation for both you and the client and your business.